What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, we talk a lot about positions that we hold, and I generally like to talk about those positions because if I do talk about things that I don't hold, how are you going to believe in the fact that I believe that these are the strongest or these are the best or anything like that? But on occasion, I will talk about the best coins that we have in certain sectors. And today, we're going to talk about the best coins that are meme coins that are out there to own right now. And when I say best, honestly, I mean safest. I've had people that have reached out to me and said, look, I like the value that meme coins bring. I don't want to invest into anything that's crazy speculative, meaning that you're buying into it in the beginning, but maybe you want to buy into something that's already well established that will have success in this next altcoin season. And that's what we're going to talk about here today. If you guys want a little bit of a safer investment where you get 10 to 20, maybe even up to 50x, feel free to watch this whole video and we will go through what those meme coins are and why they are safe. So first, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, check out my link for Patreon and Twitter down below. And at the top of the description, you'll find a link for Margex. If you guys want to trade some of these meme coins over on Margex, you actually can trade them up to a 25x leverage. I've traded some of them. I actually have, I think, just Dogecoin here. Dogecoin and Pepe. I have Pepe, I have Dogecoin, and I don't think I hold any other meme coins that are here. But you can buy them up to a 25x leverage. And as you're going to see here, I only have a 5x leverage. So you can do as little as a 5x leverage, give yourself a little bit of room, and gain more out of it by only investing $100, but technically being able to gain the profits off of $500 or $1,000 or up to $5,000, right? Actually, it would be less. It would be 2,500 because it's 25x leverage. But the point is that you can gain more by investing less if you are confident in your trading strategy. So feel free to check out my link for Margex down below if you guys are interested in that. But when we talk about meme coins, we're looking at a lot of things that are created in the market. And what is a meme coin? It's something that's created based on a meme, based on popularity. That's really all it is. It's nothing more than that. So when you have something like I don't know, let's say you have a Dragon Ball Z coin, right? I have Dragon Ball Z on my shirt. Dragon Ball Z coin, that's something that's considered a meme. You can create it. It's full of popularity. And the reason why people are buying it is because of the popularity of the show. So with that being said, what does the meme coin market look like? Well, the total meme coin market right now is sitting at about a $57 billion market cap with about $7.4 billion in volume in the last day, meaning that there's a lot of volume that's happening in this market. So know that this is not a market that's just going to go away. A lot of people, or there was a couple of people that believed meme coins are just going to go away and they're just not going to have any value. While they don't provide any use case, they still do provide value to the crypto market in a large way. So what are those meme coins that I feel like are the safest? Because you can look at some of these and go, okay, I want to know what the largest gain is. And you're going to say Shiba Bitcoin. But does that mean that it's the best one for you or the safest one for you? It only has $8 million in volume and then has $82 million market cap. Maybe that's a possibility that it could run, but there's not a given that it will run in this next bull market or that it will be around, right? So what we do is we look at the top meme coins that are here. If you go over to CoinMarketCap, you're going to find the top meme coins here. Just click on memes right here and it'll bring all these meme coins. Now I want to talk about what are the safest ones. The safest ones definitely are the top two. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are definitely the safest ones. When it comes to Dogecoin, yes, you have a team behind it that can develop things and change things and do things for Dogecoin overall. But it is very, very safe and how long it has been out here and how many holders, how many believers in this project as well. But when it comes to something that's completely decentralized and no one touches it, no one even knows the person that created it, the actual person, right? You have Shiba Inu, where nothing can be changed. It is what it is. And the only reason it can be changed is by individuals, by people that are investing into it. So know that you're not going to have any type of rug pulls. You're not going to have any type of problems. You're just going to have what SHIB is. And depending on the popularity of it, that's how far that this can go. And currently there's 1.3 million holders of Shiba Inu, so that's definitely on the top of the list. The next one is Pepe. Pepe is a project that was kind of created out of nowhere, and it's created off of this. It's a frog coin, but it's created off of this meme, this very, very popular meme that some people may classify as horrible meanings behind it. But I think that's just the way that certain people were using it. But the point is that the meme itself, it has a lot of popularity. The meme coin itself has a lot of popularity, and you're going to see that right now it's at a $4.1 billion market cap. And while Dogecoin is at a $20 billion market cap, shows how safe that is. A $10 billion market cap for Shiba Inu, how safe these are. And then also Pepe at a $4 billion market cap. The next one that I have on the list, you just go down the list, is actually Bonk. It's above Floki, but or it's above With when it comes to or WIF is above it when it comes to market cap. But Bonk is a safe play, a really safe play created on the Solana chain. And honestly, it was created to kind of extend the life of Solana while Solana was struggling, especially through the FTX situation. So Bonk had a little bit of a use case, even though it's still just a meme coin. So it's basically that first one that's created on the Solana chain, which is giving you, no matter what you create on Solana, nostalgia for Bonk and the success for Bonk. So Bonk is definitely going to have that level of success as you move forward. Then we're going to move into another position that's actually lower than WIF. We still have WIF on the list, on our list. We have Floki. I think Floki is one of the unique meme coins that you have out there. And the reason being is because Floki is one of the only meme coins that truly has use case in its future. Many things that they are creating, many things that they're doing for Floki, and whether talking about Floki Locker or whatever, right? There's many things that they're doing, meaning that they're focused on developing things for crypto and the future of crypto. So Floki is definitely on my list. That is, one, I guess we can count Doge and Shiba Inu as 1 and 2. So 1, 2, 3. Floki is number 4. Then we have number 5, which is still not WIF. It is Book of Meme. This is a play that I have that I really like. I feel like it came out of nowhere, but definitely has security over it when it comes to decentralization, when it comes to actually being a true meme coin and not worrying about all the bells and whistles. It is the most simple meme coin that you could possibly have. The website is very simple. 24-hour volume, we can see they're up by about 6%, 11 or 12% in the last 7 days. So yeah, things are looking really great for BOEM. I have a decent amount invested into that. I'm currently down, but I do have a decent amount invested into that, and I do expect it to run even more. I'm looking to whether I should buy more because I do expect this to run to a way higher level, meaning that we could see this at a level of $1 and see a 100x on this play. Now, the last one that I have on the list, I mentioned it multiple times, is WIF. WIF is it's the strongest meme coin on Solana, but it's not, I would say, the most popular, right? We have $2.5 billion market cap, so it is higher than Bonk, but Bonk is just what Bonk is, right? But WIF definitely has that level of security as well, level of safety. It's just the fluctuation is crazy within WIF. I've seen it go up to a $4 billion market cap, all the way back down to a sub $2 billion market cap, and the movement is just insane, while you see others that don't really have that much movement. Now, speaking of that, when we talk about meme coins, you have to understand what I mean by safety. It doesn't mean that it's as safe as Bitcoin or as safe as Ethereum or as safe as XRP or Solana or all of those. It means that you're probably going to see a massive amount of fluctuation, but you know that these gains are going to happen in this bull market, in this altcoin season. That's what safety really means. It's not necessarily saying that it's the safest bet out there in the crypto market. It's safe for meme coins. Now, we can always go through the most popular ones, the ones with the most potential, the ones with the most gains for maybe another video, but I wanted to talk about the best / safest ones that you could possibly invest into right now. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. And don't forget about my link for Margex if you guys are interested in leverage trading. But I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.